Hello people, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. Those who are new here, hi, my name is Jyoti. If you like this video, do consider subscribing to my channel, and those who have already subscribed to my channel, thank you so very much for all the love and support. I truly appreciate it. So today I'm going to shoot a really interesting video. I've been getting this request since a very long time. A lot of people DM'd me to do some sort of haul. So here I am with a Nykaa haul. I thought of drifting my content a bit from tutorial. So this is the Nykaa haul. I thought of showing you that what all I purchased. I'll mention the details of the product in the description box below for your convenience with the link to my social. You can follow me there as well. And yeah, without any further ado, let's just jump into the video. The very first thing that I have purchased is something that I feel that every girl should have it whosoever wears makeup, and it is a micellar water. This water helps us in removing the makeup in a very easy way. So it's from Garnier basically, and Garnier came up with two different kind of micellar water. One is the oil infused one, and the second one is normal micellar water, that is for everyday makeup thing. So you can use the normal one for everyday makeup, and I'll show you the box in which the micellar water came in. I'll show you the micellar water as well. This is how it looks. It's a very cute little bottle, and yeah, it says that it is for 125 milliliter, and I got this for 350 rupees, and there was a deal going on which included a lipstick as well, and it's a full size Maybelline creamy matte lipstick, and it's in the shade 660, that is Touch of Spice. This is how it looks.
I'm gonna quickly swatch it for you all. This is how this shade looks on your lips. It's a very beautiful pink nude shade, and you can use it for everyday makeup.
The next is from Mamaearth, that included 3 hair fall control products. It's actually a combo offer that was going on. So I got a shampoo, a hair oil, and a hair mask that retailed for 1,212 rupees, and I'll show you how it looks. So first was of course the onion shampoo. This is how it looks. This is how it looks. It comes in with a pump like this. This is the onion oil. And here is the hair mask that is from Mamaearth, and it's a onion hair mask. So these 3 were the items. And so the third one is from Sugar Cosmetic, that has been doing so well in market. I went for a foundation and a translucent loose powder. Actually there was a deal going on. If you purchase something above 999 rupees, you'll get a mini lipstick. So for the foundation is Drop the Base Serum Foundation, and it's in the shade 10, that is Latte, and I'll show you how it looks. The product looks like this. It has got this pump. Now the second one that is majorly used in baking your product, and that is so much in trend, so I thought of purchasing one translucent powder, and it's from Sugar Cosmetic again. This is how it looks. The packaging looks really luxurious. I really love the way Sugar has designed the packaging, and what you need to do is you just have to dab the product under your eyes and on the areas where you actually want to bake your base, and you just have to leave it for some time and then dust it off. That's it. So these 2 products are something that I'm definitely gonna try in my next tutorial. I got these 4 items for around 1350 rupees. Along with that, I got 4 shades of liquid lipstick. It is a mini liquid lipstick from Sugar Cosmetics. I'll show you how it looks.
The lipsticks came in this box, and there were 4 lipstick. Really loving the packaging, and the lipstick were in mini sized, and these were the lipsticks from inside. And the swatches are here for all the 4 shades.
Now this time I went for thoda sa high-end products as well. So I'll start with Smashbox. I got 2 products from Smashbox. One is this fixer. It says Smashbox Photo Finish Primer Water Set and Refresh Spray. It is a travel sized product. It's not the full size product, and I got it for 990 rupees, I guess. So this is how it looks. So you can actually use this product as a primer water, or you can actually use it to fix your base and makeup. So this was for 990 rupees. And the second one is lipstick. It's a again combo lipstick that is from Smashbox. The collaboration of Smashbox and Sobhita Dhulipala. So it includes 2 lipsticks. One is red in color, and the second one is cool pink, you can say. Yeah, cool rose colored lipstick. I'll show you how it looks.
And I quickly gonna show you how beautiful the shade looks on the lips. It's a dark red color, and it's a liquid lipstick, but it doesn't look patchy or doesn't feel dry on the lips, so it's the best part.
And the second one is the cool rose shade. It is a nude shade,
and this one is in the shade Gulabi. It's a nude shade with a pink undertone. You can use it for any casual makeup, and it's a very comfortable wear. Being a liquid lipstick, it doesn't feel tacky on your lips. That's the best part of these lipsticks.
Along with these 2 items, I got 3 complimentary products from Smashbox. It is a sample size product. One is the primer water itself that I already showed you.
So this is the mini primer water.
The best part is it has got a pump as well. So it's a mini pump. So there's a mini pump in it, so you can use it easily. And the second one is again a primer, but is a combo of primer and a moisturizer. So it's called Smashbox Photo Finish Primerizer, and it has got a very liquidy consistency.
And this is how the product looks. It came into a very small bottle like this, and because it's a sample size product, it's very small in size.
All the 3 products are the primer that I got. One is in the water form, that is the primer water. The second one is more kind of a moisturizer, that is the combo one that I showed. And this one is the primer that blurs out the pores, and it is in gel form. It's called the Original Photo Finish Smooth and Blur Primer. So these were the 3 items that I got with the Smashbox one that I purchased. The last one is the most awaited one. Like, I've been pinching my pennies for this product. This is from MAC. There was an offer going on that if you purchase something above 2500, you will get a full-sized retro lipstick along with a mini Fix Plus. So I went for a strobe cream from MAC.
And this is how it looks. It's in the shade Peach Light.
This is a perfect replacement for your moisturizer. It will give that subtle glow to your face. Lovely product. I really wanted this. And along with that, I got a retro matte lipstick. And there was a mini sized Fix Plus that was sent. And it is so cute that I will not even use it in future. This is how it looks.
And I got this liquid lipstick from MAC. It's a pink shade and the name of the shade is Tailored to Tease.
And yeah, that was all. These were the products that I purchased from Nykaa haul. I really hope that you all loved this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you soon in my next one. Till then, take care of yourself and stay safe. Bye bye.